Okay guys, so someone told me if you want this Honda to start on a first pull after you drain the carburetor and it's been sitting for months in storage, you just have to turn this on just like that and let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then it will start on a first pull. Okay, so I never heard this before and I find very hard to believe it, but this Honda has been sitting in my basement right here, okay, in the basement, for about 3 months right now. And I did run it out of gas and I did drain the carburetor before I put it back in the house. So this has been sitting for 3 months, completely empty carburetor. And I just turned this on and it's on for about 10 minutes right now. And I'm gonna take it outside and I wanna see if it's gonna start on the first pull. I just can't believe this, but let's go. Okay, so let's see. This is on. Okay, let's turn the choke on. It's been sitting for about 10 minutes with this thing on. And let's see if it's going to start on the first pull, like somebody told me. What the bullshit. Okay? This is unbelievable how people would bullshit you. I hate this. Honestly. So there you go. Alright. Gotta get my beer now after the workout. Next time, cheers.